Hello guys, this is Duran, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the laser power supply on Nova Redline series and the MIRA5S series. So now let's check it out. To replace the power supply on the MIRA5S, first turn off the machine and unplug the power cord. The power supply of the MIRA5S is located here. Before removing the power supply, you need to disconnect the red high voltage wire of the laser tube at the back of the machine, just like this. Once disconnected, the red high voltage wire from the glass tube will be separated. Remember, don't put your hand inside in case there is residual electricity. After removing the red high voltage wire, cut the zip tie that secures it. When replacing power supply, we replace the red high voltage wire together with the power supply. Therefore, you need to slowly pull the red high voltage wire out. Once the red high voltage wire has been pulled out, begin removing the power supply. First, disconnect these two green terminal blocks. Then remove the 4 screws securing the power supply. After pulling out the red high voltage wire, use scissors to cut this black wire. When we send you the replacement unit, it will include a new power supply, a new red high voltage wire, and a new black wire. During installation, first connect the black wire together using a soldering gun. Then wrap it with black electrical tape to secure it. Next, place the new power supply into position. First, secure the top 2 screws to hold it in place. Then route the red high voltage wire back through the same path as before. And secure it with zip ties. After that, install the remaining screws. Of course, everyone has different working habits. You may also install all 4 screws first and then route the red high voltage wire. Either method is fine. Once all 4 screws are tightened, reconnect the 2 green terminal blocks. Finally, reconnect the high voltage wire. Plug in the power cord, and the replacement is complete. Alright, that's all for today, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. This is Duran from Aeon Laser, so see you then, bye bye.